what's up, fellow beginners and wannabe crypto traders? Today, we're going to be taking a look at where to start in crypto trading. All the most important tools, everything you need to know how to start in crypto trading, we're going to find out today. The very first tool you're going to be needing while crypto trading is actually Tradingview. Tradingview is the platform where you're going to be looking at all of your charts. Surely exchanges do have charts as well, but on Tradingview, the charts are simply way more advanced. This is a look right now at my chart, which I'm using at the moment. It's very simple, and I'm going to be talking in the next videos how to customize and make your charts look good, and especially in a way that is easy for you to understand and filter out the most important information. For the second part, we're going to be taking a look at exchanges. For example, Delta Exchange, Bybit Exchange, or even Binance. All three of those are great exchanges, but do completely different stuff. For example, Binance I use to buy spot cryptos. That means the actual cryptos that you own and can send, the actual Ethereum, the actual Bitcoin, the actual Litecoin. This is where I buy the spot holdings. For example, Bybit and Delta, those are exchanges that are doing derivatives trading and futures trading. That means you're buying contracts and you're able to trade on leverage very, very easily and with a high volume. Surely, all the things I'm saying at the moment might be a little bit confusing or alienating for you, but make yourself no worry. We're going to be taking a look at all of these things in the coming videos because I want to make sure that you become a very good crypto trader and know exactly what to do whenever it happens. Now, Tradingview and the exchanges, this is not going to be enough for you to even start crypto trading. Surely you can do the trading, you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum and all of the assets that you love. But to truly be able to trade crypto, you need more information. And the number one platform for getting any kind of information about crypto is actually Twitter. On Twitter, you can follow a lot of people that have been in this space for a very long time and are posting on a daily basis tweets, are putting on content and information for you to understand what is happening in the crypto market. I remember when I started out in crypto, I was looking at Twitter almost every single day. I took a look at the most reliable and big accounts that are on Twitter, and I was following them on a daily basis. I was looking at their charts and was trying to recreate the charts that they were doing on my Tradingview and was trying to learn and understand what these charts mean and how based on these charts I'm going to be able to enter trades. So to summarize once again, the three most important things when starting in crypto are Tradingview, exchanges, and getting the information. You can get the information from Telegram, from Twitter, from any kind of source that you like, but I find Twitter is the most reliable source of information because you have a lot of people talking about the same thing from different angle, and you can get a lot of information from a different aspect. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and if this was helpful for you. And don't forget to make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video that I'm gonna be putting out about crypto trading and how you can become and be a better trader.